Welcome everyone. This is Summary Sweep. Let's get right to it. The James Webb Space Telescope launched on December 25, 2021 to great fanfare and with the highest of expectations and hopes of changing how we view the universe and our place within it. The telescope took more than 20 years to conceive, build, and launch with just as many years of stops, starts, and gargantuan cost overruns that went into the billions of dollars. All told, the project went more than 10 times over the original budget of $500 million and was finally delivered more than 13 years past the promised launch date. Wars, recessions, and more wars happened while the scientists, engineers, and private contractors worked, reworked, and invented everything needed to finally get the behemoth into the heavens. All this was done with the promise, and the accompanying funding, to finally answer so many of the unknowns about the seemingly endless expanse that is our universe. But it's been nearly a year since its launch, and I must say that I have yet to learn anything impressive, earth-shattering or awe-inspiring from this extreme expenditure of time, resources, and even more resources. Here are the top 5 reasons why the James Webb Space Telescope has, so far, been a massive disappointment. Number 5. The JWST has shown us pictures of things we've already seen and know a great deal about. Okay, there are galaxies upon countless galaxies in the visible universe. The Hubble telescope gave us the deep field view more than 30 years ago, so this isn't news. The new pictures are great, even fantastic, but showing us better pictures of what we've already seen is by no means an impressive accomplishment. Also, the latest shots of the Horsehead Nebula are not bad either, but we've been there and done that too. Number 4. There were some big promises made about the capabilities of the JWST, such as being able to see through dust clouds light years away and peering at planets that we could never have seen before. We were told that atmospheric analysis could be performed to determine what distant worlds were like and how they may have evolved to become what they are now, relatively speaking. Instead, we are getting super high-resolution pictures of Jupiter. The Jupiter currently residing in our very own solar system. If I had missed all of 5th grade astronomy or never gone to a space-themed game arcade called Jupiter as a kid, I would be astonished by those images. But I made it through the 5th grade once into the Jupiter arcade enough times to have my fingerprints permanently engraved on the Galaga and the Pac-Man controllers. So yeah, I'm thinking we're all familiar. Number 3. Bob Lazar. This man leveled some pretty serious accusations. Let's swing the JWST at least in the general direction of where he claimed there just may be some interesting things that may be worth seeing. Let's take him seriously or let's just shut him down. Number 2. Fast radio bursts. We know where they are coming from, right? We can also get this settled with a telescope that can see to within just a few 100 million years after the theoretical Big Bang, correct? Let's not lose another doctor that could potentially cure cancer because they believed a Nobel Prize could be waiting once they cracked this solvable mystery and instead went on this wild goose chase. Do this one solid for all of humanity. Number 1. Aliens. Intelligent aliens, idiot aliens, or planets full of otherworldly creatures. Please prove their existence or just disprove their existence. Or at least show us something that will finally put a stop to the madness, because if the History Channel does one more ridiculous season of Ancient Aliens, I may just lose my mind. Leave your comments below. Subscribe and like. Until next time. This is Summary Sweep.